Hey everyone, to use Siri, let's open the settings, and from here you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the Siri option. And from here, on the older software, you will need to turn on either press home or side button for Siri. That's the first thing. Then turn on allow Siri when locked, and then turn on listen for and the command right here. On the newer software, you're going to see press home or side button for Siri, turn this one on, and then allow Siri when locked, turn this one on, and then you see listen for, and you set this to those two options right here. Once you've done this, if you have a home button, you long press the home button to get the assistant. If you don't have a home button, you long press the side button for the assistant. If you're wondering, to get the power off menu, you need to press and hold both power and volume down together, and then you'll get the same slider power off menu as you got on the older iPhones. So let's go out of here. Let's go back. In the Siri and search settings, you can change the language, and under Siri voice, you can change the voice of Siri. You can also change the Siri responses settings. So if you want Siri to not speak, but give you text with the answer, you can select that as prefer. Or if you want Siri to always speak the answer, you can turn that one on as well. After this area here, these parts of the setting is not related to Siri. This is related to the Spotlight search, so you don't have to worry about any of this. All of the Siri settings are in the Ask Siri area. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.